everyone, welcome to Beyond Tarot, and I know that you're anxiously waiting for this video, and this video is on how your year is going to be, your 2022. So 2022, if you go to see, it adds up to number 6, and 6, if you know, if you're a numerologist or if you deal in tarot, you know that 6 is a number which is connected with Venus. So how is the Venus energy? The Venus energy is supposed to be so vibrant and full of love and affection and a lot of new things happening in your life. So let's see quickly what your year is saying and how it is going to be for all of you. So I hope you're very excited to see how this year is going to turn out to be. Okay, so your year ahead, how it's going to be. So January is going to be a little slow for everybody. It's going to be a lot of thinking process, whether you should be investing your time, your relationships. You should be thinking wisely about how you should be taking things forward in life. So take your time, don't hurry up with things just because it's January and you feel that you're going to make some New Year resolutions. They are not really going to turn out the way you've been thinking of. So take baby steps, don't hurry up with things. Your month of March is more of being, connected to your own self. You are going to be surrounded by your own worries. You're going to be into your own shell. So this is a time for introspection. It is a time to reflect on the past mistakes and think wisely about what you're going to do in future. So it's more on the introspection side, and the month of March is taking wise decisions on whatever you've been thinking of, whether it is marriage, whether it is your job, or it is anything, any decisions that you have taken. Also, your father figure is going to decide a lot of things on your behalf. So it's wise enough to take decisions from your elders, especially the male members of the family, to go forward in your life. March is also going to be a month where you have to restrict yourself in terms of probably your food habits, and taking strict actions on whatever you've been very liberal with. The month of April looks very beautiful, where I see a lot of new beginnings coming your way, and people who are expecting, the women especially who are in their last trimester, you are likely to give birth to a baby boy. So congratulations to all of you who are here, and it is also a month of good health, sunshine, and a lot of new beginnings. The month of May is also very good for students who are planning to go abroad, who are planning to apply in high-end institutions. It is the right time to get in there, and most of your thought processes, most of your plans are going to be very successful. People who are into the legal matters, probably the court cases and all, are going to turn in your favor, and you're going to be very successful in that. The month of June is going to be a little bit of ill health. People are mostly planning to give up their jobs. So here there is a piece of advice that you need to stick on to that job. Please don't give it up, because you've given your enough time and your effort in this place. So stick on there, and please do take good care of your health. The month of July is going to be a good status job coming your way. There is a lot of socializing happening at your end. You're going to make new friends, and you're going to rule your system, wherever you are, whether you are in the job or you're married, whatever position you are in, you are going to be the boss. The month of August, most of you are going to think about your past, maybe some past regrets. You are going to think about your past experiences, bad experiences, maybe your past hurts, relationships, and somewhere that you've been stuck with. So I advise you here that past is gone, the bygones are bygones. You have to move forward in life because a beautiful future is waiting for you. Okay, so month of September is going to be a little stressful. Maybe students who have been studying and not really concentrating on their subjects. This is a card which says that there's a lot of last minute study, a last minute stress. So whether you're in business or studies or any kind of work where a lot of things are lagging behind, so you need to catch up a bit. You don't have to be lazy, and you are also going to face a lot of health issues, sleep issues, and a lot of bad dreams coming in for you. So you have to be a little careful with that. October seems to be a very lovely month where you are going to travel a lot. This is also very good for students who are planning to go abroad for further studies, international studies. High-end institutions are in store for you. This is also a very favorable card for air hostesses and fashion designers and people who are thinking of starting their new journey. This is the time where you are going to travel a lot, you're going to prosper a lot, you're going to make a lot of money, you're going to study a lot, and you're going to go out for your work purpose also. So a lot of travel is in store for you. Coming to November, again, November shows a lot of unexpected travel, a lot of surprises are in store for you. You are going to take a leap of faith even in your relationships. So even if suddenly if somebody is coming into your life, just quickly close your eyes and trust the universe, because he is the person or she is the person for you. And finally, December says that so many activities are happening in the entire year. So it will take time to absorb all that. You need time to understand as to what this year is trying to give you. So don't be in a hurry to take any kind of decisions. Don't be disheartened if things didn't turn out for you, because this card says that if you have patience, if you accept everything that has come your way, it will definitely give you results. So don't be disheartened. Also, let me tell you to conclude with 2022, because I told you it is ending with the number 6, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So as our dear Modi ji has said that in 2022 हमारा भारत सोने की चिड़िया बनने वाला है. So we are expecting very good things because it is the Venus year. So all of you enjoy this year. It's going to be beautiful for all of you. So stay tuned for more such videos, and I'll also come up with individual videos for each and every sun sign. So I hope you all are excited for that. See you soon, and be happy and always have a smile on your face.